Hey guys, Energetic Game here. Sorry about that. I was thinking about something else. But hey, Energetic Gaming here, and today is another video about Doggo. Doggo. I love Doggo. Look at that tail. That was the perfect shot. Oh, Doggo. Bless you, Doggo. Bless you. Doggo. Look at that helicopter tail. Oh, bless you again. Bless you again. Sneezy helicopter tail. How about that for a video name? That helicopter tail, though. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. And that helicopter tail. That boy helicopter tail. There he is. Hey, Doggo! I'm making a video here. This is not supposed to be PG-13, dude. Yeah, don't worry, it won't. Hold on, I'm gonna just zoom in on his face real quick. It be Doggo on that street saying Doggo. There be that Doggo on that street saying Doggo, Doggo, Doggo. He likes that butt scratch. There be Doggo on that street. There be my other dog going down that hallway under there. There be Doggo wagging his helicopter tail. There be Doggo wagging. Okay. That collar though, bro. That collar though. That collar though. I'm gonna go turn on the light. My bathroom. Whip me. Hit me. Don't mind the dirty clothes. Burp. A burp. Hippie. Hippie. Backpack. Hippie, 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 hippie. Doggo! He's got a shot of that helicopter tail! Helicopter tail! Helicopter tail! Helicopter tail! Barbie Doggo on that street having his floppy ears and floppy doggo-ness. And I'm gonna upload this vid soon in 8. Barbie time. Barbie time. I don't know. I love that Doggo on that boy Doggo. He'll be here until Tuesday, the day I go back to school. Oh, look at that Doggo. Look at that Doggo. Look at that Doggo. He likes that. Doggo. Alright, Doggo, gotta go check the time. Boom. There be Doggo on that street saying, Doggo, you cannot catch me, boy. Doggo is not camera shy. As for he was not camera shy so much that he doesn't care being on camera, doesn't even know if he's on camera or not. Doggo! Doggo! Doggo. Have me some drunk chicken soon, so yeah. Might record a little bit of that drunk chicken. It's pretty good if you ask me. I already ate a little bit. I'm gonna get more. Because I love that cooking tonight. Yeah, it snowed a little bit. Let me go show you. Sorry, Doggo, gotta leave you. Don't mind the giant mess of my tent. And my Minecraft sword just opened on that. Snow! Snow! Snow. M8. Snow. M8. Oh, there you see the reflection of my room. Which you shall not say. Welcome to the white world. World. Barbie doggo on that street. Doggo. Doggo. You're a doggo? Doggo. Doggo, give me your paw. Give me your pen. Oh, doggo, be adorable. What? Snowed a little? That's very nice. Waboosh. Hey Lauren, I'm not getting you on the video because look, I covered it with my hand. Hee hee. Sorry, I just like to prank my big sister sometimes. I'm gonna go check on that drunk chicken. Possibly in a bit. There possibly might be a part 2 because I cannot edit. I am a dumb person who cannot edit yet. That's because I'm too lazy to get me an editing software. Oh wait, there's an editing software on YouTube so I can cut things out. I might just try that out, but first, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to try this stuff. I'll do this first. I'll do this video first. I'm going to do this video, mate. Might as well just do part 2 and try out walking down the hallway. So, yeah, and Energetic Blue Gamer out until part 2. Yeah, boy.